Hey guys, this is my friend Kelsey, and today we are shooting.
And Joey.
And I'll show
Steve.
And Steve, my roly-poly. I don't know if you can see it, but today we are shooting a nature documentary, and I hope you enjoy. BTW, no animals were tortured in the making of this film. This here is a rare roly-poly. See, watch it in its natural habitat, aka leaf. And as you see, when it is somewhat scared, it's not scared of me, but stop! Oh, I did not just kill that. It is naturally alive. See those tears of joy? They're from joy, right? As you see, this is alive by its movement of the legs. Honey, come back to life. Okay, and we will be back with the roly-poly right after... What's his name?
Joey.
Right after Joey.
Hello. This is Joey, the lizard. And he is like a lizard. And he has unique feet and unique tail. And it is a boy, because you can tell by the thing. And I'm not torturing it. Doing this to a lizard does not hurt it at all. And it likes berries a lot. I'll try and demonstrate. He might not eat it, but you know. So he eats it. See, as you can see, he is eating it. And that's it for Joey. Go back to that roly-poly.
As you see, Steve is sleeping at the moment. Nothing bad is happening. Wink. That was a wink of laughter, kids.
Here's another one.
Rest in peace. Never mind, we found another roly-poly. Wait, yeah, which it is. It's a girl. Her name is Marrisa. It's alive. No! Okay, see? I think I just killed Marrisa. Here is Marrisa. No!
Ow! 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 Cut! Cut, take Marrisa. And we are back. As it likes to crawl.
Yeah, and Marrisa is so alive. Hey, now it's on me. I hope okay.
Roar.
Now...
Roar. Roar.
Oh, she ate it!
No, she didn't.
Rest in peace, Melissa.
As you see, Kylie likes to kill animals. Bugs.
See you next time in the next... Oh, it just bit my camera. Well, bye. Here's a blooper.
Well, it's a dead... Oh, never mind.
No! Marrisa...
Well, you see, everybody, this is the technique of a beetle, and it's still alive.
It's supposed to be dead. Well, this is what you call the circle of death.
See.
Whoa, that's a dirty hand. No. Oh my.
Can we just take her out of your mouth?
It ate its antennas. Okay, rest in peace, Marrisa. Rest in peace, Marrisa.
As you see, this is a clone.
Okay, we are in the process of saving Marissa's life if she's not already dead.
Hank. See?
I love
See
here we have the following memories of Marrisa.
To eat the lizard. And it is a disease.
Yep, Joey's doing no harm.
He's trying to be a good boy.
Rest in peace, Marrisa. All the memories from you, Joey, get out of the shot, will be remembered.
They're best friends
This is actually not Marrisa. It's an understudy we found in the grass.
As you see, we've done bloopers, we teach
new
you
name is
stuff,
Bob.
so that's all for today.
Hey,
Bye, guys.